Hello. Today I will be going over the basics of using the website Medline Plus. Medline Plus is a government website that is a service of the United States National Library of Medicine, which is a part of the National Institutes of Health. Medline Plus strives to provide easy-to-understand health and wellness information in both English and Spanish. This service is free to the public. As you can see, if you have a Twitter, they also provide little tidbits of information that link back either to the website or to other government websites. Let's get started. Let's say you are curious about a health topic. You can click on the health topics on the main menu bar here or here. Let's start at the top here. And as you can see, you are brought to a page with many choices to choose from, including body locations and systems, disorders and conditions, demographic groups, diagnosis and therapy, and health and wellness. Or you may type in any topic you are interested in the search bar here in the upper right-hand corner. Let's type in allergies and see what we get. Look, I've gotten results. The first page is 1 to 10 of 57 different results for allergies. You can also, over on the left-hand side here, refine by type whether you want health topics, want to look up something in the medical encyclopedia, whether it's having to do with medical tests such as allergy testing, or even look up things in multiple languages. So let's go back to the main page. Perhaps you're interested in a new supplement that your neighbor recommended. He says that it has worked wonders for his anxiety, but you'd like to hear more from a trusted source before you go out and buy a whole bunch of different supplements. So you'll go either to this main bar up here or in this section and click on Drugs and Supplements. From here, you can either choose drugs or herbs and supplements. So let's go ahead and click here. Here they have the herbs and supplements. You can choose from the top here, or just scroll down. It's all in alphabetical order. Now, let's say the supplement your neighbor was recommending to you was ashwagandha. So let's choose that. And here you'll learn more about this supplement, such as what is it, its effectiveness, is there any interactions with foods or medications, which is pretty important. Let's go back to the main page. Another great resource Medline Plus provides is Healthy Recipes. You can scroll down here to Healthy Recipes. And from here you can choose from breakfast, lunch, and dinner, drinks. Maybe you just want to go straight to desserts, or you want to make some bread. With the holidays coming up, let's look for a healthy dessert recipe. Okay, so look, pumpkin pie. Let's click on that. Okay, so gives you a little information and then goes down into the ingredients and the directions. It looks pretty easy to make and follow. And then on the right side here, it gives you nutritional information. Only 177 calories per wedge sounds great, but I'm curious as to how healthy it is compared to other recipes. So let's take a look and go to All Recipes. And we can judge and see how much better it actually is. Let's just choose this first one. Perfect pumpkin pie. All right, let's scroll down and see. Calories. 379 calories. Wow. That is a big difference from 177. That's 200 calories less. So that does sound pretty healthy to me. So, I hope this podcast has been helpful and encourages an interest in Medline Plus. Thank you for your time.